The opposition People's National Party is in a race to heal itself in time to face the impending general election. The party ended a two-day retreat for candidates contesting the next general elections at the University of the West Indies, Mona, today. We have more in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
The University of the West Indies, Mona, a symbol of regional unity. It was perhaps a fitting location for the People's National Party's candidates' retreat on Sunday. This is a party yearning for unity after a bruising period stemming from as far back as the 2016 election loss, and then more recently, the fractious leadership runoff between Dr. Peter Phillips and Peter Bunting in 2019.
We have to present a united party and a party that can solve these problems. And really, the leader focused on the need for us coming together, working as a team.
Several influential party stalwarts who supported Dr. Peter Phillips in the leadership race are understood to be upset with his choices as he tries to get the party ready for the general election. Last week, Dr. Peter Phillips extended the proverbial olive branch when he ushered Dr. Dayton Campbell back into the fold with a post in the shadow cabinet. Dr. Dayton Campbell, many would remember, was the whip on the campaign trail for Peter Bunting's camp. For some, his return has raised questions about Damian Crawford's role.
Damian is the person dealing with the manifesto. There was no ambiguity. Dayton has been brought back into the shadow cabinet, as the release indicated, for special projects with a particular eye on the implementation for the first 150 days of a new government. There's absolutely no overlap, or there's no clash between their two responsibilities. In fact, they're complementary.
I caught up with Dr. Dayton Campbell on Sunday.
I have malice towards none. If there's any that has malice towards me, I'd tell them to just, practice love. The thing is that if there isn't, first of all, I don't think I need forgiveness, but if there is no forgiveness, if there's no reconciliation and those things, then not even Christianity would be worth it, because the basis of Christianity is that persons can be redeemed and persons can change and enjoy a better future. And as I said, we are a political movement. We really don't even have to be friends in here. We really just need to be co-workers.
The PNP Secretariat says more members of the so-called Rice camp will soon be reintegrated into leadership and influential positions in the PNP. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.